Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and I'm so excited to see you each on Zoom at 10:30 this morning. If you haven't had a chance to do so, please go ahead and do your reading assignment so you can tell us all one new thing that you learned about your animal that you're writing about this week. I'm excited to see you shortly, but let's go ahead and look at morning work so you can get started on that. On your morning work today, you're again going to be working with nouns and your vowel sounds. So before we get started, let's review those so you have them fresh in your mind. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Great job. And now let's do our vowel sounds. A, apple. E, elephant. I, igloo. O, octopus. U, umbrella. Great job. Many of you probably are noticing I've got a Band-Aid on my finger. I cut myself with a knife. That's why it's always best to keep Band-Aids in the kitchen because sometimes you need them. Let's go ahead and look at our morning work now.
All right, your morning work today, you're going to identify what this number is and color that many snails. And you'll identify what this number is and color that many watering cans. And this is our number 8. And this word is such a crazy one. It has that IGH that we learned about this week that normally says the I sound. But this is an E-ite. This is our number 8. What a strange word. So you're going to write the word 8 and then write it again. Then you're going to identify tens, ones, and how many there are in all. And then on this spot, you're going to see how many is in the first 10 frame and write that number here. And then how many is in the second 10 frame and write that number here. Then you'll flip over to the back of your morning work. On the back of your morning work today, you have slime, sleep, clown, club. And you're going to color the two that start with the same beginning sound. Then you're going to circle the letters that you hear at the beginning of the word plane and the beginning of the word blocks. And here you're going to be coloring the word they, T-H-E-Y. So wherever you see T-H-E-Y, you're going to color that bag of seeds. Then in this box down here, anywhere that has a short vowel sound, a, I, you're going to color it blue. And any picture that has a long vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, you're going to color it red. We have a pig, cake, tree, coat, crab, lock. Then in this box, we have a skater. You're going to identify that noun as either a person, place, or thing. And then this is the word dime. A dime is a kind of coin, and it's worth 10 cents. You'll learn a lot more about money when you get to first grade. But on this line down here, you're going to write the word dime. Don't forget that sneaky E at the end that makes the I say I instead of I. That's your morning work for today.
Math today is something that we already know how to do, but it's getting just a little bit trickier. So we're going to look at it today together on my whiteboard, and then I will help you do the first couple on your math paper itself. So today we're going to be looking at tens and ones in order to find how many we have in all. But instead of having it in 10 frames like we normally do, today we just have a pile of things. And we have to figure out how many tens we have and how many ones are left over. And the easiest way to do this is to count 10 and draw a big circle around those 10 and then count and see how many are left over. So to do this, the best thing to do is to draw either X's or check marks as we count to 10. So I'm gonna draw X's because those are easier, but you can also draw check marks. Remember, if you're doing a check mark, you do a little slant down and a big slant up, okay? So if you wanted to do check marks, you can do check marks. I'm gonna do X's. So we're gonna count while we draw our marks. Here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you get to 10, stop. Okay. You should have 10 that have a mark, but the rest don't have any marks yet, which is fine. Because this is what you're gonna do now. You're gonna draw a really big circle all the way around all of the ones that you put an X on. That, you know, is a group of 10. So I have 1, 10. Let's see how many I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 10. How many ones did I have left over? 6. Yeah, I have 1, 10 and 6 ones. How many is that in all? If you don't remember, you count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10, 1, 10, and 6 ones makes the number 16 in all. Let's look at what this looks like on your sheet for today.
For your homework today, go ahead and use a crayon if you want to. It can be a little bit fun to do this part with a crayon. So I chose, of course, purple because it's my favorite color. And we're gonna start here in this box with the birds, and we're gonna draw or mark 10 birds, and we're gonna count while we do it. So I'm again gonna do X's. You can do check marks or X's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, remember, stop when you get to 10. Don't keep drawing X's. And draw a big circle around your group of 10. How many do I have that are not in a group of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so down here, how many 10s do we have? Yeah, we have 1 10. You can use your crayon again if you want. I'm fine with that. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I have 1 10 and 4 ones. That makes blank in all. Well, we know that this is 10. So if you want, you can count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If that's too challenging and you can't quite count on yet, that's okay. You can count 1, 2, 3, and count each of them again. But we know that 1 10 and 4 ones makes 14 in all. Okay, and you're going to do that for the rest of these boxes. Okay, so you're always going to start by counting slowly to 10 while you draw a mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice how I keep my marks close together in a group. I'm not going all over the place because it would be really hard to draw a big circle. So I like to go up and down because it makes it easier to draw a circle. Okay. Also notice I didn't do my marks big and crazy like this because that would make it really hard when I would start marking all of them. Okay, so make sure you're keeping your mark just on top of each animal as you do it. That's your math for today. You're going to do the same for each of these boxes.
For phonics today, you're continuing to work on the same sounds we've been practicing this week. So most of you are working on our letter I. You're either doing long I that says I, or you're doing short I that says igloo. Others of you are working on CH together. And when C and H partner together, it says the sound ch, ch, like cheek, chin, and other fun things to do with CH together when it partners together. Those are your phonics sounds for this week. Maverick was very curious. He wanted to say hi. Go ahead and practice your phonics. For reading today, you're going to continue reading at your new reading levels. So start by reading your passage 3 times so you get all of that practice that you need. And then you're going to answer these questions on comprehension. And then on the back today is a page that you've worked on many times before, and it's a secret sentence page. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure we go through each of the pictures. So just in case you have any questions about what it is, you can know for sure. So let's look at each picture closely.
We have witch, elephant, web, igloo, ladder, lion, lamp, octopus, octopus, king. That should be a nice easy one for you. Flower, orange, rocket, tree, helmet, egg, mushroom, apple, pig. So you're going to find the beginning sounds of each of those words, and it'll make a secret sentence. Read the sentence, make sure it makes sense, and once it does, write the sentence down here with your best handwriting.
Our mystery word for today, which is Wednesday, April 15th. So go ahead and turn to your mystery word paper because our word today is the word vet. Vet. So on that line, will you write the word vet? Don't forget to keep working on your writing. Maverick is behind me making all sorts of noise. Can you see him? Don't forget to keep working on your writing as you're learning about new animals that you wanted to learn about. So make sure you're writing your outline, which helps you to make your put all those things into the boxes so that you can easily write all about whatever animal you've been learning about this week. We'll see you later today on Zoom. Bye.